So for Dad Random, here we go. We're gonna pour 2 pieces of the countertop, the last 2 left, later, and here we go. Okay, watch and learn. Here we go.
Do you lie awake at night? Are you afraid to turn out the lights? Is there something you're scared of? What's there out in the dark? Make sure to keep all your windows locked. Do you surrender? You try to stay awake. These walls you can't escape. Here's one for the lonely hearts, for the ones that fear the dark. You better run out of here. Bet you can't look the other way. Here's one for the broken road. That's the only one you know. You better run out, truth or dare. Get me out, take me anywhere but here. Oh, anywhere but here. Wanting something good to come, waiting for things to run away from. Are you just hiding? Yeah, walking into the fire, talking like you never die, like you're immortal. You try to stay awake. These walls you can't escape. Here's one for the lonely hearts, for the ones that fear the dark. You better run out of here. Bet you can't look the other way. Here's one for the broken road. That's the only one you know. You better run out, truth or dare. Get me out, take me anywhere but here.
All right, this is Dad Random. I've got both forms built, as you saw in the time-lapse video. Kind of like a railing. That's going to be a railing cap, and this is going to be the final bar top. So the last 2 pours, I did a little bit of math right there, and it basically is saying that I can finish this in 3 bags. So I should be able to get this done with 2 and a little extra, and that's less than a bag. So I should end up with about 25% remaining. Got water ready to go. 2 buckets that I'm ready to mix. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put set control in. Okay, this stuff right here. This is going to give me more working time, and I learned from experience now that this needs to be pre-mixed. So I'm going to pre-mix set control in 2 of the buckets. So that should get me down to the probably what I call a critical point. And then the 3rd bag should be pretty easy. Now the next product I'm going to use is something called flow control, and I'll put that in the mixture as I mix it up. Okay, so that'll wait, and that's it. So here we go. From all this cement work, it really takes a toll on your hands. So a little bit of rubber glove action. I usually don't. I don't mind getting my hands dirty, but for this stuff, you got to protect it, protect them. So here we go. Go ahead and get the gloves on. These things will be so soaking wet when I'm done with sweat. All right. So for Dad Random, here we go. We're going to pour 2 pieces of the countertop, the last 2 left, later, and here we go. Okay, watch and learn.
Well, it's a
Hey, this is Dead Random. I'm done. Now I might hit it with the hammer a little bit more, but I'm just going to leave this stuff here. This really important. Nobody talks about. The type of trowel. Now this is a magnesium trowel. Now this works really good with this stuff. It's cupped and it's smooth, and it's good for smoothing surfaces. But it's amazing for smoothing out this kind of peanut buttery consistency concrete. So this is a magnesium trowel. Mostly for finish work, for smoothing out and finishing, but perfect for shaping in this situation. But that's a 1/2 inch drill, and looks like I have about 1/4 of a bucket of concrete. It's exactly how it seemed to have worked out. I knew this would take 2 bags. It took a little bit more than 2 bags, and that over there took about 1/2 a bag. So I'll just leave that in the bucket, let it set up, and I'll have basically a boat anchor tomorrow. But there it is, Dad Random concrete countertops. I'm going to now, as you'll see in a little bit here, I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera off in a minute, but I'm going to let it set up probably about 1/2 an hour, and then I'm going to come back with the smooth trowel, and I'm going to start to take some of the bubbles. There's a little bit of top bubbles, but the bubbles really don't matter. Remember, this is the bottom of the 2 pieces. Now that'll be the bar top, that'll be the drinking top, and that over there is that little piece of island that sticks out that I'll have to put on the, it's just trim piece, basically a concrete piece of trim. And I'll have to caulk those in and then join them, probably with some kind of probably a sealer of some kind. More than likely I'll have to use an epoxy. So, all right, Dad Random concrete countertops. These are the last 2 of 4 complete tops. So, all right. Dad Random sweating his butt off. I think some of you guys don't think I work, and I think you think I'm paying for all this stuff, and you're wrong. So, all right, bam, we are ready to look at that. Check this out. That's sweat, dude. That is sweat. All right. But it's setting up. This stuff has a 30-minute life set. So here's the material profile right here. And this is the material I'm using right there. All right, I'm going to put the music back on. And you're not going to hear it because it's copywritten. So, but I'm going to. It's making me feel good. So later, and bye. Dad Random. Math. And Friday, I'm gonna have a drink with you. Dad Random Live. Yes.